I'm from the Philippines. This one, first time.
First time.
Yeah, it's very informative, very organized, and the groupings of the companies for particular industry is very it is well grouped so that the customer or the they can easily find the machines that they need. No, I come here also for pleasure. Yes, and business. Okay, of course, I come to know new technologies available for packaging, for food processing, which is very good. And also I come to know new suppliers that is needed in our company, new suppliers, new potential suppliers. Yes, it is quite successful and it's very productive for us to be coming here and attending the FOOMA.
I'm from Miami, Florida. I have a brewery in South Florida where I will be making Japanese sake, Nihonshu. The name of my company is Florida Sake Ventures.
Oh, sounds great.
And I came to meet with some different suppliers to learn more about their products and to establish a business relationship to bring their products to Florida, where I live. First time I've been to this FOOMA, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really nice event, amazing. So much information, so much nice connection with the vendors. It's a good opportunity to look at the products, you know, and meet people and network with other professionals. So it's been great.
I'm from Malaysia. Malaysia. Yeah. I come every 2 years, not the first time. See a lot of booths and a lot of people. We will see a new concept of food processing, new machines, and I'm interested in the automation. So a lot of good information.
New York. We're a food manufacturing facility, so it's the first time we're seeing the show to see how we can expand and do a bit better for our business. And first time here, loving it. Overwhelming. It's great. It's definitely a lot to absorb, a lot to see. It's a phenomenal show.
We are from Poland.
Poland.
Yes. We came here to meet with our business partners and to see the new technology of Japan, because Japanese technology is much more developed than some European companies.
Yes.
We came here to see what's going on new in Japan more and what we can buy from Japan also. The main purpose is the business. Yeah, we found some ideas and we had some good contacts, good meetings. It's charming, lots of people. Because we are flying almost each country for exhibitions. But here, like, the technology is different than Europe. Let's say the machine, like food machinery, is much like different than European brands. For us, it's very successful.
You got something, yeah.
Yes, for us, it's successful. And next time, like, I think it will be 2 years later, probably, we will come once again.
I'm from Indonesia. Yeah, I want to search like some new technology machine. I mean, not starting, but we already have the farm, and so farm for chicken farm. Yeah, so I want to see the technology for. No, actually, I came like maybe 2 times. Yeah, there's a lot of like new amazing technology.
We're from Vancouver. Yes, it is. It is our first time to be here. A food processing restaurant, basically, but we're here to look at machines to automate our operations. Well, I was in touch with our supplier. I wanted to meet with him, but he said it's better for me to come in FOOMA, so I get to see his machine along with the other machines that we also need for our operations. So, yeah, we went straight to our contact supplier, and then we went over all the different manufacturers and saw the other machines that are complementary to our operations. Yeah, so we saw everything from slicing to skewer packaging and all that. Basically everything that we need to put everything together. Not yet. We will finalize the specifications because they also need to go back and cost and calculate because it's customized. It's a customized requirement. Oh, it's fantastic! It's fantastic. I hope we would have come like 2002 or 2022 or 2023. It would have been better, but it's good that we discovered this, and it's probably not going to be our last time to be in FOOMA. We will definitely come back for more.
Okay.
Yeah.